Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect switch controller to PC instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your switch controller is charged and turned on. For a wired connection, connect the USB cable from the controller to an available USB port on your PC. If you're using a wireless connection, go to the Start menu on your PC and open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, select Devices to open the Bluetooth settings. Next, click on Bluetooth and other devices in the left sidebar. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled by toggling the switch to on. Now, press and hold the sync button on your switch controller until the lights begin to flash. On your PC, click on Add Bluetooth or other device in the Bluetooth settings. Select Bluetooth from the options that appear. Look for Pro Controller in the list of devices and click on it to pair. Once the connection is established, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. To check if the connection is successful, you can open the control panel. Select Devices and Printers to view your connected devices. Your switch controller should appear under the Devices section. Now, you can customize your controller settings using any compatible software. Test your controller with a game or in the Steam Big Picture mode. If you encounter any issues, unplug the controller or disable Bluetooth and try the process again. You should now be able to enjoy gaming with your Switch controller on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.